Today's video is going to walk you through how to use a factor tree to find prime factors. Before we get started, let's review what a factor is. A factor are numbers that multiply together to equal another number. So, for instance, the factors of 10 are 1 and 10 and 2 and 5. Prime factors are what we're going to be talking about today. Factors can either be composite numbers or prime numbers. Composite numbers are numbers that have multiple factors. Prime numbers are whole numbers greater than 1 with only 2 factors, itself and 1. If we look at the factors between 2 and 20, since we said 1 cannot be a prime factor, the common prime factors are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. You'll notice all these numbers only have 2 factors, itself and 1. That becomes important when doing our factor tree. So what we're going to do, let's take the first example. We're going to find the prime factors of 18. And the way we do that is to pick 2 numbers that multiply together to equal 18. Let's do 2 and 9. Well, 2 is a prime factor, so no need to go any further on this one. That's a prime factor. Now, we look at 9, and let's think, what 2 factors multiply together to equal 9? Well, there's 3 and 3. And guess what? They're on our list. 3 is a prime number. So since the end of all of our tree, the branches, if you will, are all prime numbers, we have found the prime factors. The prime factors of 18 are 2 times 3 times 3. And if you multiply it out, 2 times 3 is 6 times 3 is 18. You can also write this as 2 times 3 squared, because we have 2 3's. Okay? Next example. So let's find the prime factors of 28. Let's start with 2 factors that multiply together to equal 28, and I'm going to go with 4 and 7. And what's interesting is that it doesn't matter what factors you come up with, you will eventually get to the same answer. So we see here 7 is a prime number, so there's no need to go any further on this one. This one is a prime number. 4, however, we need to break it down further into 2 times 2. So 2 is a prime number, which means our prime factors are 2 times 2 times 7. 2 times 2 is 4 times 7 is 28. It can also be written as 2 squared times 7 equals 28. Now that you've been through a couple examples, try one on your own. Tell me the prime factors of the number 32. Leave your answer in the comments. Good luck. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.